Hi, I am CC. First, click on New and choose Assembly to create an assembly file. Use the Insert Part or Assembly command to select the piston part. Click directly in the viewport, which defaults to insertion at the origin. Then select the piston ring part. Now the part follows the mouse movement. Click to place. Choose the Mate command. Select the circular edge line and the arc surface. At this point, coincident is recommended. Click OK to complete the constraint addition. Select a face and an edge line to add a coincident constraint. Use the Linear Pattern command. Choose the pattern direction and add distance and quantity. Repeat the Insert Part command. Hold down the Control key while selecting the piston pin and upper bushing. Click to insert in the viewport in sequence. Repeat the coincident and coincident commands to complete the constraint addition. Select a point and a face. Choose the distance mating type and add a distance constraint. Click on New and choose Assembly to create the overall assembly file. Insert the part control theory by default at the origin. Insert the piston pin, add constraints, and assemble the piston pin to the main control wheel. Use the Copy with Mates command to complete the insertion and mating of the remaining piston pins. Insert the hinge rod, add general constraints and mating constraints, and assemble the hinge rod to the main control wheel. Insert the subassembly piston. Add distance and coincident constraints, and install the piston onto the hinge rod. Hold down the left mouse button and drag on the subassembly to adjust the position and shape of the parts. Repeat the above operations to complete the for-hinge rods and pistons. Add mating constraints to the for-hinge rods and pistons. Install the hinge rods and pistons onto the main control wheel. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to adjust the assembly to the shape shown in the video. Insert the part cylinder. Right-click and set the main control wheel as active and the cylinder as fixed. Add constraints to the piston components and install them onto the cylinder. Insert the turbine cap part and add mating constraints. Insert the rotor part, add mating constraints, and install the rotor onto the turbine cap. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the part to simulate the operation process. Edit parts under Assembly. Click to select the part to be edited in the instance list or viewport. Click Edit Part. Enter the part editing environment. Click Exit Edit Part after editing is complete. Jump to the part document. Right-click the part to be edited in the instance list or viewport. Choose the Jump command. You will then jump to the part after editing the part. Switch to the lower window to return to the assembly document. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD assembly design. Now, visit www.CrownCAD.com to start your design journey.